Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to public library. Going to public library became a weekend ritual now. Last time also I went and I love this library. This library is like full of the new books. So many fiction, non-fiction, self-help. I think you should visit it. And when I was in this auto, there's like this auto was full of the boys, but the auto driver was so kind. मैं लड़की हूँ बोल के उन्होंने दो लड़कों को दो ऑटो से निकाल दिया था. Some auto drivers are so sweet and good, but some are very bad. But yeah. And look what I found. So the kukri. It's a history of the kukri. They used this is the very important thing that used by the Gorkha soldiers in the army. So I was curious to know, and I was flipping through the book, but I got to see my place where I grew up. जहाँ पे मैं ग्रो अप हुई थी उसका फोटो है यहाँ पे. मेरे पापा को ट्रेनिंग और मेरा लाइक बचपन मेरा यहाँ पे देख के मुझको वो रोने का मन कर रहा है. वेदा जूम करके देख. माय गॉड, दिस इज द टेम्पल जहाँ पे हम जाते थे प्रे करने के लिए. और हमारे पापा का ट्रेनिंग इधर हुआ था. व्हेन ही कम टू दिस इज द प्लेस. मेरे पापा फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया आए थे और उनका ट्रेनिंग यहाँ पे हुआ था. सो लाइक आई वाज जस्ट चेकिंग आउट दिस बुक बिकॉज इट टोल्ड मी अबाउट द खुकरी हिस्ट्री एंड आई वाज जस्ट चेकिंग. आई वाज सो शॉक्ड टू सी दिस प्लेस. मुझे इसका याद आ रहा है वापस आने. लाइक देयर सो मेनी प्लेस. ओह माय गॉड. ठीक है भाई, ठीक है. मुझे कितना वो लगा रही है देखने के बाद. This library is so cool. I found a Ritvik Singh book also. This book, this is so amazing, yaar. You just have to ask a question to the book. Strictly now book. Actually, we got this book. Come and I will talk about this book. So we got this book of answer. It is like you just have to
visualize a question and
so,
then you can open some page.
Yeah, you have to do like this. Then just open one page. Okay, we'll do it. Just think one question.
I'm thinking about.
Wait. I want to.
Wait. I know. Okay. When you think it's the right time, then you can stop.
Don't see. Don't be pressure into acting too quickly.
The question I thought was, will I go abroad this year? And the answer is, in your backyard. I'll go to get.
So for me, I said if I get.
What was the question? What was the question?
So my question was like, will I get 20 lakh package? So it's saying don't be pressurized into acting too quickly. So it's saying that
20 lakhs package.
It's saying don't act so quickly. I think we have patience. You can put it. So check in your backyard.
My backyard.
No. It means check in your personality. Like check your mindset, check your thing. So you have to come up with the answers also like that. Don't be pressure into acting to maybe it's saying be have patience and learn some courses and you can get it like that. The book we got is It's a very unique. It's a very unique book. Like you can just say the questions, and you just have to. I mean, to imagine a question, and you have to take palm, like half measure, flip like this. Then just whenever you feel like just flip, an answer will come up.
Okay. So let's start.
And we have to like see somebody. Okay.
Okay. So imagine a question in your mind. Okay. Now place your palm. Then start. Start taking for answers. The guy is coming.
So my question was like, I made a tracker. It's like what my client view will be on that, like positive or negative. And it came like this. Don't doubt about it. So it can be a positive. So ये also पूरा traditional बन गया ये. So we found this book. It was so magical. Whatever we were asking, it was giving the answer, and it was so good, yeah. But we should not completely believe on that. I was like, we are so not this one.
I think it's 3. Yeah. Chapu.
And she's asking permission to her mom if we can stay on my home or not, because she wanted to come here tomorrow. I don't know, but everyone wanted to come here.
I'm not talking with my mom.
To whom then? To whom then? You asking permission? Choti? And I need to ask permission with Vasila, but this is busy. Now we are in the parking zone. आवाज गूंज रहा है. So she got her scooty. I didn't even know that she know how to ride a scooty. Come here, कितना अच्छा आ रहा है इधर. Hello. Hello. Say hello. I think this is a new building, na?
Yes.
So I think I'll recommend everyone to come in this public library. It's so good. They have such a new books, self-help books, fiction books, non-fiction books. Exam की books भी है, like Veda is doing Gen I engineering, वो भी AI related, dude. So she got so many helpful books that she can, have her to get her interview cleared. She's telling. But tomorrow I don't want to come, Veda. Really? What I'll do at home alone, I'll be very, in weekends I feel like I cannot stay at home at all, because एक बार घर पे बैठी तो बस फ़ोन स्क्रॉलिंग करना, टीवी तो है नहीं. और सो आई फील लाइक वी शुड गो आउट इन वीकेंड एटलीस्ट, अपने माइंड को भी, क्योंकि यू आर इन द सेम सर्कल गोइंग ऑफिस, लॉग इन लॉग आउट, फिर फिर उस पर भी तुम, जब तुमको वीकेंड का मिल रहा है, तुम बाहर नहीं जा रहे हो, यू विल नॉट सी द डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड, यू विल बी इन द सेम सर्कल ऑफ द सेम वाटर. सो आई फील लाइक you should go out and see the world. You'll see different things, on the way, or how people are living life. I should just, like, for example, मेरा हाथ दुख गया यार, अब तो बाद में बोलूँगी. Now Veda forget her where she placed her scooty. You time waste हो रहा है बहुत. Already 7 o'clock and my sister said to reach home at 8. Yeah, we have to cook for them. Arey, you don't know you didn't remember the number?
B3.
Yeah, B3, but obviously B3 is so big, you should remember the. And she don't even remember her scooty number also. Oh, कैसे ढूंढ लेंगे? जल्दी पूछ, मम्मी को फोन कर जल्दी, गुस्सा आ रहा है मेरे को. सॉरी मत बोल, गुस्सा आ रहा है. क्या है, अपना स्कूटी का नंबर कैसे भूल सकती है? किसका है फिर? अब तो आई डाउट तुम स्कूटी कैसे चलाओगे. Oh my god. Now we are just going to B3, B2, B1 to finish that. Bad girl. मेरे को पेट भी दुख रहा है, मेरे को घुमा रही हो. Oh my god, this girl. this ऐसे ही होता है जेनजी के साथ हैंग आउट करने से. Oh my god. You can like ड्राइव कर सकते हैं ना मेरे को, कि रैपिडो बुक करूँ?
कहाँ जाना है रैपिडो बुक करके तुझे?
So I was instructing Veda which right and which left we have to go, but I forgot to see the map and we took the wrong flyover. और हम पूरा घूम ही रहे थे. Thank God वहाँ पे कुछ ट्रैफिक नहीं था. At this time अगर ट्रैफिक होता तो लाइक पूरा एक दिन निकल जाता लाइब्रेरी पहुँचने के लिए. I am so bad at seeing the map. Oh my God. We are back to the library again. Today is Sunday. Oh, well, today also we are back to the public library. Today is Sunday. Yesterday also we came. So blog will continue from the yesterday blog. मस्त व्यू लग रहा है बहुत. I'm waiting for Veda to come. अब तो स्कूटी ड्रॉप करने के लिए. Here we are. Focus Library open 9 AM to 8 PM. Compulsory flight. All this. Say hi. So हम मॉर्निंग से कितने बजे से 10 बजे से हम यहीं पे हैं. 10 बजे 11 बजे 12 बजे. What is the time now? Now we are going for lunch. Breakfast at 10. वैसे हम फ्राइज खाते हैं. मेरा सर दुख रहा है पड़ पड़. So now we gonna have some lunch. तो इडली खाएगी ना. So we are in the Shah house now and there's a huge waiting line. So there's a huge waiting line. 2 जन के लिए भी टेबल नहीं है. Like 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes he said. We went to Pista house. वहाँ पे भी इतना लंबा लाइन था. तो यहाँ पे भी इतना लंबा लाइन है. Like Pista house में थोड़ा अच्छा. हाँ वहाँ पे वेटिंग भी कम था. Pista house
ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो गया और वहाँ
so we can cancel it. ऐसे ऑर्डर थोड़ी ना दिया.
वहाँ पे लाइन बड़ा हो गया.
For 2 people before 20 minutes only they said ना. Now we are going to Pista house because वहाँ पे वेट लाइन बहुत लंबा है. अरे यहाँ पे like शाह हाउस फेमस देन पिस्ता हाउस रे. कितना लंबा लाइन है उधर. और अभी हम वापस जा रहे हैं पिस्ता हाउस से जहाँ से हम वहाँ पे वापस जाएंगे तो दे विल से ये लोग फिर से आगे. अभी तो गए थे. I have never imagined that we have to wait for the food this long.
So we are back at
Pista house. And हमने क्या बोला हम कब से वेट कर रहे हैं. What we said to them that we were waiting. वो एकदम funny था यार. Pista house. Please don't come on weekend. Don't come on weekend. Will suggest we have to wait this much. नीचे आधा घंटा, यहाँ पे आधा घंटा. बोलो कुछ और. बोल ना कुछ और. अभी रोज को देख के बैठना है बस. फाइनली हमारा ऑर्डर है हमारा. अभी बिरयानी का वेट करेंगे.
ये देखो ये सब.
हम लोग बिरयानी खा के आ गए. लेकिन अगेन वी आर बैक टू दिस लाइब्रेरी. ऐसा लग रहा है हमने यहाँ पे घर बसा लिया है. हमको कितना टाइम लगा? 2 घंटा.
हमको 2-3 घंटा लगा ऑलमोस्ट.
खा के फिर हम अभी आए हैं. ये लोग भी सोच रहे होंगे. हाँ इधर ऐसा अच्छा आ रहा है इधर. यहाँ पे बच्चों को कितने अच्छे बुक्स है. दैट्स वाई. हमारे ज़माने में इतने अच्छे बुक्स होते थे तो कितना अच्छा होता था. ये बच्चों के कितने प्यारे बुक्स है. वो वाला दिखाना. वो वाला गाड़ी वाला बुक. हमारे ज़माने में ये नहीं था यार.
अरे शुक्र खोल देते हैं. रुके बुक है यार.
स्मोकिंग है. जल्दी दिखाओ. लड़की दिख रही है. दिस वी हैव सो मैनी. इसको टच भी कर सकते हैं.